Hello everyone, this is Joanne Charles of Island Girl Lifestyle, and I'm coming to you with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I styled my mantle for the fall. So this year I decided to use non-traditional colors. Basically these colors are the colors that I use for my living room. So this year I wanted to do something really different. So here I have some fabric pumpkins on my mantle. These are custom made fabric pumpkins in various colors and sizes and textures. So this year I wanted to introduce a dusty rose pink color to my hue, and I think that this color goes really well with my neutral, soft neutral colors. So on my mantle, I also added some faux fall leaves. So basically that is actually a garland that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I just basically intertwined the garland around the pumpkins. I also have some painted leaves mixed in. To add a touch of drama, I also added some faux feathers, also from the Dollar Tree. And to finish it off, I added some sparkly acorns. So if you enjoyed this video and you like my mantle, please leave me a thumbs up or a comment. And if you're interested in seeing more videos such like this one, don't forget to subscribe. So on the bottom of the mantle, I just have a simple, I guess, a lantern, and it has some candles inside. I kept it really simple because I felt that all the drama was on top of the mantle with the pumpkins, and I didn't want to go too crazy with the pumpkins. So basically in the living room area, I only have pumpkins on top of the mantle.